Hi guys, quick update lang tayo dito sa ating mga trades or sa ating holdings. Dito pala tayo ngayon sa Singapore, attending Token 2049. So share ko lang dito yung earnings natin today habang nag-attend tayo dito ng event. Pero bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys, no. Itong event na to is for me ay mahalaga guys, no, kasi I'm always consider myself as a student. So sa mga speakers na nag-share ng kanilang experience, knowledge, and ideas is that I can have these insights, no, para ma-share ko din sa inyo. And yung events na ito ay malaking events, no, for the promising project. And doon natin makikita kung gaano sila kaseryoso. So try din natin dito mag-enjoy. Sumali din ako dito sa mga games para makakuha ng merch. At the same time to learn from the speakers na magkakaroon ng speech, no? So for now, andito tayo ngayon sa pinakabot nitong OKX. Ito yung ginagamit natin na application. Yung official link naman nito sa description ng video na ito para mapuntahan nyo. And para na rin makaiwas sa mga phishing links online guys, no? So bali sila yung pinaka-title sponsor dito sa event na ito. And recently they acquire as well ng pinaka-license sa Singapore. So dito nga guys, merong mga speakers, no? Yung mga experienced speakers, share their ideas, experience. Like for example, yung OG nung OpenAI.
I mean, I'm looking at you, Alex, because you were at OpenAI.
Which is the ChatGPT ngayon. Ay nag-share din ng ideas niya. And ito yung mga quick clips ng mga speaker.
Funny here with the bond, I will buy this. On the other hand, there are people who are like, okay, we've seen these guys in these discords, they understand DeFi, they understand what's going on broadly. You know, maybe there's something more here.
You know, build up of weeks where you try to get comfortable with the heat, even though of course it's never really that comfortable, but you build up to it. You know, to have a bit of a tolerance, because you know you have to be in your fireproof suit, and yeah, it doesn't really breathe that well.
To have an interface compatible with Web 2, because I think if the bridge between Web 2 and Web 3 is too complicated, then people will not migrate.
And sobrang dami pa na ito guys. Vitalik speaks nung morning, yung founder ng Ethereum. Different floors, merong mga topics or may mga to talk, may discussions. And maganda yung mga insights na na-share nila dito in terms of technology, experience, kanya-kanyang opinion. No? So, yun, I'll keep you posted pa dito guys sa mga susunod na video natin, other ideas I adapt or I learn from this event. See you sa date natin, abang-abang guys. Pagbalik ko ng Pilipinas, I'll keep you posted dito guys. No? So, that's it for today. Hope this video helps. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.